HTC Corporation is a Taiwanese consumer electronics company that is pretty rapidly moving up into the audio industry by providing high-quality earbuds. The one we're going to review in this video is called the HTC E-mo1, which is also known as the HTC True Wireless Earbuds Plus. So, without further ado, let's get on with it. First of all, let's get on with the unboxing. As you can see, it comes in a sleek-looking cubic paper box with a glossy finish. Straight out of the box, you get a thin paper card holder, which holds the instruction manual and the warranty card. Leaving them on one side, we can see the case sitting right in the middle of the box. Let's get it out and see what the buzz is about. As you can see, the case looks beautiful and premium with that matte white finish. The case itself, as beautiful as it is, feels rigid and well built. The size will allow you to slip the case inside your jeans pocket without much effort, and there won't be an awkward bulge. The case cover feels snappy, and we couldn't help but fidget around with it a bit, as it was very satisfying to flick open and snap close. The earbuds themselves appear to be tucked in the case in a very cozy manner. Let's get these out. They feel good and premium to the touch. They have a good fit and are surprisingly lightweight. It's something surprising because from the looks of it, they don't appear to be this lightweight. In terms of connectivity, the earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.0, which makes connecting them to any device a breeze. It'll take you only a few seconds to pair with the device. The charging case has 3 LED indicators that indicate different situations. The middle LED will glow red when charging and will glow green when it's fully charged. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. The quality of these considerably cheap earbuds is a bang for your buck in our opinion. We played different types of music from Spotify and cranked the volume all the way up to maximum to see if there were any audible distortions. And punching a hole through our skepticism, the earbuds performed really well, with nearly zero distortions at maximum volume. With the higher volume, you'd expect the bass to be a little overflowing, but it was surprisingly steady, rumbling, and punchy with no audio leaks and an overall round audio profile where every audio element sounded balanced. The mids and highs were clear as well, with good emphasis on the instrumentals. Overall, you'll be really satisfied with the audio quality. The user interface is also very straightforward, simple, and intuitive. You can tap the buds once to play or pause your music or to answer or end calls. To play the next song, you have to double tap the earbuds and thrice if you want to go to the previous song. When you tap and hold the right earbud, the voice assistant will be activated, and in order to use the ANC, you need to press and hold the left earbud for 3 seconds. The HTC E-mo1 comes with a USB Type-C cable, which makes it easier and quicker to charge. Speaking of charging and batteries, the HTC E-mo1 will last for a long time with 6 hours of non-stop playback on a single charge. The charger case will provide 3 times additional charges, which total at an astonishing 24 hours of musical playback. In terms of protection, the earbuds come with an IPX5 rating, which gives this pair of earbuds the ability to resist water and sweat to a degree, so heavy workouts or a stroll in the rain won't be an issue. With the integrated Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the earbuds can perform perfectly and without any audio drops up to 10 meters. The downside of this pair of earbuds is unfortunately the ANC feature, because it didn't provide a good amount of noise control when compared to other earbuds. We were slightly disappointed with the ambient sound feature as well, as they didn't really work the way we expected them to work. However, the ANC feature was up to the mark, as they did a solid job of noise isolation. Overall, for the price, we think this is a really good pair of headphones with jam-packed features like Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 protection, moderate battery life, and a somewhat okay-ish ANC feature. Would we recommend it? Well, in terms of sheer audio quality, we would happily recommend it as the fit provides hours of comfortable listening with amazing sound quality. But if you're an audio fanatic who is very keen on features like ANC and ambient sound, you might be disappointed. So that was a hands-on review of HTC E-mo1. What are your thoughts on HTC's brand new earbuds? Have you had the opportunity to use it yet? If so, how are you liking it? Please let us know. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe to get more content like this on your feed.